Do I gotta put my seatbelt on?
That thing is gonna keep beeping.
Oh shit. Are you planning to crash?
Man, we're in California. The driving out here is unreal. People are crazy.
You're right.
Finally made Chipotle, get a little post-workout meal. This will be my second time this week, and it's Thursday? 2 or 3 times a week. I crave it sometimes. I eat almost the same thing at home, so when I'm out, it's just quick and easy. No beans, just chicken. Can I actually do double chicken? And a little bit of the fajita peppers. I always have a spoon with me because these spoons are so little. So when I come to Chipotle, I get white rice. It's a short grain rice. It's good for your post-workout. It breaks down faster, and the carbohydrates are part of the building the muscle. And I get double chicken, a little bit of the medium sauce, and lettuce. So I get my carbs and my protein post-workout. And it's delicious. Even if I was prepping, I would still eat this. I mean, all it is white rice. It's a simple carb. It breaks down faster. It's what I'm going to eat in a regular meal anyways. Get my double chicken. Probably around 55-60 grams of protein with the chicken. I want to say it's probably a cup and a half of white rice, so probably 75 grams of carbs. It's supposed to work out. I don't want any fats, so I'm just staying with the carbs and the protein. So it's a good post-workout meal.
I need you to rate that at Chipotle, 1 through 10.
Oh, Chipotle, definitely. I mean, for what it is, I'd give it a 10. It's a quick meal. It's easy. It could be healthy if you don't add all that extra crap on it.
Why you look at me?
I didn't look at you. I was looking at the camera. You're just behind the camera.
Oh. He doesn't get guacamole on the Chipotle.
The what?
I said he doesn't get guacamole.
No. Well, not post-workout. I don't want the fats.
It's healthy fats.
But still, post-workout, you want carbs. You want simple carbs. So that's why I get the white rice.
People love guacamole.
But pineapple's better on pizza.
Nah, I agree. And tahini's better on pineapple.